Today I'm gonna teach you one of the most profound concepts that I've learned in my life that has helped me become a millionaire by the age of 26 and a multi-millionaire by the age of 33. Now you may not realize this, but one of the most toxic concepts and one of the most toxic ideas that you've been exposed to is this. That somehow if you make money in a very short period of time, that somehow you make money quickly, it is a bad idea. You heard of the term get rich quick. Somehow in a society that we believe if you make your money, if you build wealth quickly, it must be something shady. You must be doing something illegal. It must be a scam, right? Get rich quick, that's a bad idea. When people say, is this get rich quick? You better hope that it is, because you don't have time to get rich slow. Now what do I mean by that? Wealth is not just measured by how much money you have, wealth is measured more in time than in just money. Let's say you make $25,000 a year, and let's say you work 40 years, how much money you've made? $1 million. Now it's $1 million a lot of money, absolutely. You've made $1 million. The question is, are you rich? No, why not? Because it took you 40 years to accumulate $1 million, to make $1 million. Now let's look at a different scenario. Let's say you still make $1 million, but instead of taking you 40 years, you make that same $1 million within 12 months, within 1 year. Now, are you rich? Yes, now you are a millionaire. What is the difference? It's the same $1 million. The only difference is the time that it takes for you to make it. And the cool thing is this, when you make your money in a relatively short period of time, guess what? Now you have more time to enjoy it. Instead of waiting for 65 years old, then you may enjoy your money for the like 10 years, want to enjoy it for 30, 40, 50, 60 years. That's the only difference. That's why wealth is not measured in how much money you make. It's how fast you make that money. Now what if you make $1 million a month? Let's think bigger. $1 million a month. The person who makes $1 million a month is 12 times richer than the person who makes $1 million a year. And he or she is richer than the person, 480 times richer than the person who makes $25,000 for 40 years. That's the difference. And that's why rich people, we value time more than we value money. Poor people, they value money more than they value time. And that's why if there's something with my Bentley and oil change or I gotta go do something or fix the car, I'm not gonna do it because it's not worth my time. My time is much more valuable. I have other activities that I could do that could bring in more money. Now you may be saying that, well, easy for you to say. You've got money, of course you could do that. That is not true. You might be thinking because you are rich, that is not true. I got rich when I started valuing my time. Most people never get rich because they never value their time. So think about that. Do you want to make it quick or do you want to make it slow? Do you have time to even make it slow? If you're serious about making it faster, not the traditional path, but how do you make it faster? If you want to know how millionaires, how we think, how we operate, how we do business, how we do marketing, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell and be ready for my next video. Thank you for watching.